Good morning to all. Myself A. Saranya, MCom MPhil, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Sakti Arts and Science College for Women, Ottanchutram. I discuss about this HRM, Human Resource Management. Human Resource Management, the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance, and separation of organizational human resources to the end that organization, individual, and societal needs are satisfied. Human resource management includes all activities used to attract and retain employees and to ensure they perform at a high level in meeting organizational goals. Human resource management is the static approach to the effective and efficient management of people in a company or organization, such that the help there are business gain a competitive advantage. It is a design to maximize employee performance in service of an employer strategic objectives. Next, I discuss about this. Activities are made of first one is requirement and selection, second one is training and development, third one is performance appraisal and feedback, fourth one is pay and benefit, fifth one is labor relations. Next, I discuss about this human resource planning. HR planning including all activities manager do to forecast current and future human resource needs must be done prior to requirement and selection. Second one is demand forecast made by manager estimate the number and qualification the firm will need. Third one is supply forecast estimate the availability and qualification of current workers and those in the labor market. Next, I discuss about this HRM component. Components should be organization structure and strategy. First one is I discuss about this requirement. Requirement development a full of qualified applicant. Requirement there are two types of requirement: external requirement, internal requirement. External requirement manager look outside the firm for people who have not worked at the firm before. Manager advertising in newspaper, hold open houses and university and internet. Internal requirement. Internal requirement positions are filled with the firm several benefit. Workers know the firm's culture may not have new ideas. Manager likely already known as candidates. Internal advancement can be motives employees. Next, I discuss about this selection. Selection determine relating qualification and potential for a job. The selection tools are background information, reference, paper test, physical ability test, performance test, and interview. Next, I discuss about this Training and development. Training and development ongoing process to develop workers' abilities and skills. First of all, I discuss training. Teach organizational members how to perform a current job. Help workers acquire skill to perform efficiently. Next, development. Build workers skills to enable them to take on new ideas. Next, I discuss about this performance appraisal and feedback. Provides information about how to train, motivate, and refine workers. Manager can evaluate and then give feedback to enhance worker performance. The performance appraisal, employee performance, job related strength, development needs, progress toward goals. And next, I discuss about this pay and benefit. High performing employees should be rewarding with bonuses. Increased pay provide additional incentives, benefit such as health insurance, reward, membership in firm. The pay level, how to firm pay incentives compared to the other firms in the industry, benefits, other health insurance, daycare, and others. Labor relation. Manager needs an effective relationship with labor units that represent workers. Units help establish pay and working conditions. Labor relations. Fair Labor Standard Act 1938, minimum wage, pay for does not cover commission, salary, or tips. If management moves to the decentralized structure, HRM should be adjusted as well. Thank you.